We're leading the energy transition to zero carbon emissions in the UK by offering complete residential and commercial heating and hot water solutions. As one team across the UK and Ireland, and with the backing of our global parent company, BDR Thermea Group, we work together with a collective knowledge and expertise that's literally centuries in the making. We're proud of our heritage, manufacturing in the UK since 1866, and we're experienced in adapting to changing needs. With government net zero targets set, our customers are relying on us to transform how homes and businesses are heated. To achieve that, we provide a broad mix of approaches and technologies implemented at scale. We're home to a wide portfolio of residential and commercial brands, creating seamless, integrated heating and hot water solutions from names you can trust. As part of our own pledge to be carbon neutral in all our operations by 2030, we're leading the phase-out of carbon-intensive heating systems whilst investing in next-generation, future-ready solutions like air source heat pumps, hybrid systems, hydrogen-ready boilers and heat networks. And from 2025, our ambition is that every product we make will work with low-carbon energy. We understand that every building project is different and one size never fits all. We tailor our solutions for every type of residential and commercial building, new and refurbished homes, hotels and leisure facilities, education and healthcare, and so much more. We're committed to guiding each and every customer through the energy transition. Our design team is there from the start, helping developers and specifiers in choosing the right solution for the application. Our technical teams help with everything from installation and commissioning to servicing and maintenance, all supported by our nationwide network of expert engineers and industry-leading parts and labour warranties. Our customer training supports best practice across the industry, developing all the skills and knowledge needed for a low-carbon future. And our friendly award-winning customer support offers expert advice as and when you need it. Together, we're everything you need in a heating and hot water solution. We're Baxi, individual brands, united for all your needs.